starting with the greatest and sweetest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and powerful. Hello dear viewer, welcome back to the Language Learning Lab. This is Musharraf Shah, English instructor, and today we are going to learn about the grammar structure, that is be going to. So what is be going to? Well, it's a very useful phrase we used to talk about for future plans, intentions, predictions, and we use be going to express what we plan to do or what is going to happen in the future. So as you can see that I have written be going to on the board. That is the definition of be going to. Be going to is used to express future plans, intentions, and predictions. I have told you that we use this structure for those actions or for those plans that will happen in the future. When you are describing yourself, you have to use this structure. When you are talking about your future goals or your future dreams, you have to use this structure. That is very useful phrase, be going to. So, and one action or actions that are already arranged or scheduled, and we use this structure for those actions that are already arranged or already planned or already scheduled. For example, I could say that I'm going to learn English. So I have planned this, that I'm going to learn English, okay? And the second example, they are going to win the match. They are going to win the match. So this is prediction. They are going to win the match. You can also use for your intention and for your future plan as well. Okay? Now we have to use structure of this be going to, that how we can make example, how we can make many more example to structure. Remember, you have to remember the structures of every tense, every phrase, then you can easily make many more. So I want to write one example here, and then I will tell you that how can you can make many more examples. For example, they are going to win the match. So how, like they are, and how can I combine these words, and how this, we have a proper structure for this. Now I'm going to write that structure for you guys, and then you can easily make many more examples on that. Okay, so let's move to the structure. The structure is like this: subject plus be plus, and we have be like is, am, and are. These three are be of the present tense. Okay, so after this we have to use this one, going to. I have told you about the be. Now we have to use going to with that. So going to. After that, you have to use the first form of verb, base form of verb. You are not allowed to use the second form or the third form of be going to. So the base form of verb, or you could say that the first form of verb, and the first form of verb. And now you can use like the rest of the sentence and object. Okay, let's move to example. Now we have to apply this structure on the example, then you can make easily example. Okay, so the subject is, we have 7 subject pronoun. For example, with he, she, it, we use is. And with you, we, they, we use are. Remember this, okay? And with just I, we use am. This is just for present. And for the past we use like I was, okay, you were. And you are not allowed to use that be of the past like in the present. So we will apply this structure on the example, that how we can make example easily. So for example, he is going to study tonight. So he is a subject, and we use with he, we have to use with he is. He is going to study tonight. The second example will be like this. They are going to play game. So this is another example of be going to, and we have used this structure and we have applied this structure on these examples. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture and be shining and reaching your dream. Thank you for your time.